also support with that the wastewater stored in a separate tank. The first step is purified in a moderated step.
In order to recycle the wastewater, there are 4 steps in that. When water passes from the tank, the first step of water purification is small steps into large objects from the water. Here further we will keep it in the next. So finally cotton purified the next purified water. And another way.
When water is going to purified, the recycle of wastewater is used for watering plants, and same water we can send for different houses where they can use for washing the cars and other users. Now we are going to demonstrate how wastewater treatment plant really works.
And it is one of the 4 chambers of the heart. After the restaurant is the main pumping chamber of the heart. The oxygen
And it goes to the aorta. Aorta is a larger
Water is going to the body to cold and then cotton to the purified water thread.
3 layers of tissue. It extends upward
Thank you.